Hello, we are working on number 5 for your 10-6, 10-7 quiz review. This one we're finding the volume of the sphere below. Remember, your volume formula is V, might need a pen, V, oh, and I also don't want to write in white. Let's try again. V equals 4 pi r cubed, all divided by 3. Notice in our figure they tell me radius is 3.2. This is r. So we just have to plug that in. So we're going to do 4 pi times 3.2 cubed all over 3. I'm going to cube 3.2 in my calculator. Remember, that's just like 3.2 times itself twice. So 3.2 times 3.2 times 3.2. I get 4 pi times 32.768. For now, I'm going to write all of the like decimal places, and then we'll simplify later if we need to. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 4 and 32.768. When I do that, let me just make some room. I get 131.072. Remember, pi is still on the top, all divided by 3. And then the last step is just to divide that number by 3. So divide by 3, and I get 43 points. We're going to round to 1 decimal. I have 69 pi, but we're going to round it to 43.7 pi. Again, in the blank, I would type in my number before pi, so 43.7 would be my final answer.